day everyone. Good day mga kapilosopo. So today I'm gonna talk about my new philosophical of educations. But before that, I wanna tell you first what is philosophical of educations. According to Ruth Brooks 2023, the philosophy of educations is a branch of philosophy that considers the nature and aims of education from both theory perspective and practical perspective. It's one of the applied or practical branches of philosophy dedicated to exploring educational goals, methods, principles, forms, and meaning. From the word exploring, it's talk about on how philosophical of education can be used in educations. And philosophy of educations is approach using in the classroom that help education system to achieve a better and quality education. Furthermore, philosophy of education is a framework or set of principles that guides teaching methods, curriculum development, and classroom management. It reflects the values, goals, and beliefs about the purpose of education, shaping how teachers and students interact and approach learning. In this topic, it aims to resolve challenges in social studies by creating an engaging and inclusive environment. So today, I will share my philosophical of educations that can help also the educations. Name, visualism, is one of my philosophical educations I made, which is visualism. Visualism is a presentations inside the classroom that can help to improve more the discussions of the topic. But before I talk more about the visualism, let's talk first the challenges that the social studies teachers encounter. The first is philosophical of educations. We need to also interview our social study teacher to address the challenges that they experience. The first challenges that the social study teachers encounter is the students are not unattentive when it comes in teaching social studies. Due to that, the learners are expected that the social study is all about history. Additionally, they are more relying on memorization rather than comprehensions, especially to the grade 7 and grade 8 level, where they are practice banking method or teacher-centered, or the teacher are more provided all the knowledge. The philosophical of education, which is visualism, is came up with those challenges. Also, visualism helped the learners to be more interesting when it comes in teaching social study by providing image and representations to also more comprehensive to the learners, also by providing them an image so that the learners are expected to understand more the lessons, to also avoid memorizations in terms of the topic. And also visualism support by 4 pillars of educations of UNESCO, which is learning to do, learning to know, learning to be, and learning to live together. Moreover, visualism also supported of 3 philosophical of educations, including constructivism, progressivism, and critical pedagogy. In constructivism, say that students learn best when they build their understanding through hands-on activities and their own experience. And also, the lessons include activities where students explore ideas using visual and connect with them. They already know. Furthermore, lessons include activities where students explore ideas using visuals and connect them to the what they already know. Furthermore, teachers can guide the students to think deeply about visuals, helping them understand and learn in their own way. For progressivism, on the other hand, it focuses on learning, doing, and making and solving real-life problems. Visualism support group activities where students work together, share ideas, and learn from one another. Analyzing image or videos such as modern tools like videos, infographics, and digital apps to connect the learning to real-world situations. Lastly is critical pedagogy. Focuses on teaching students to think about fairness and understand the world around them by using pictures or videos to show social issues like poverty or environmental problems, and encourage the students to talk about solutions, including visual from different cultures, viewpoint to help students respect diversity and think about equality. Lastly, the teachers and students talk oftenly about the meaning of visuals and how they relate to the real-world issues. To conclude this topic, visualism integrates visual tools like pictures, videos, infographics into lessons to make learning more engaging, collaborative, and critical, and how visualism can help to resolve the usual challenges experienced by our social study teachers. And addressing those challenges is crucial on how we use a approach by observing the challenges to the environment or classroom. Educations of the philosophy, especially visualism, provides a practical and innovative approach to the teaching social study by addressing key challenges like student unattentiveness, reliance on memorizations, and lack of inclusivity. It transforms the learning experience. Visualism also fosters critical thinking, collaborations, and respect for diversity, ensuring students become responsible and competent global citizens. This philosophy not only enhances classroom dynamics but also prepare both teachers and learners to thrive in rapidly evolving educational landscape. So, I hope you have a takeaway from my philosophy, which is visualism, and use this as a guide or approach on your environment. Thank you for your listening. Bye.